Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to place columns in Revit. To begin, navigate to the Structure tab located in the Revit ribbon. From there, you will find the Structure panel, where you can select the column tool. Revit offers two primary column types, architectural and structural. Architectural columns are often used for decorative purposes or to wrap around structural elements, while structural columns are load-bearing and essential for the building's integrity. Understanding this distinction is key to proper placement. Once you have selected the column tool, the next step is to define its properties. Utilize the Type selector, found in the Properties palette, to choose from various preloaded column families or load new ones. The Properties palette also allows you to modify crucial parameters such as column dimensions, materials, and other instance properties. Crucially, set the column's base and top levels, along with any offsets, to ensure it spans the correct floors and aligns precisely within your model. Revit provides flexible methods for placing columns. For individual placement, simply click in the drawing area at your desired location. A more efficient approach for multiple columns is the At Grids tool. This feature allows you to select intersecting grid lines, and Revit will automatically place columns at those intersections. This method significantly enhances precision and saves a substantial amount of time, ensuring your columns are perfectly aligned with your structural layout. After placing your columns, it is vital to review and refine their positions. Examine the placement in various views, such as 3D and plan views, to catch any discrepancies. For fine-tuning, utilize the Move or Align tools to achieve precise positioning. Always verify that column heights are correct and that they properly connect to other structural elements like beams and foundations. This final check ensures the structural integrity and accuracy of your Revit model.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.